The AirPods mismatch error can be a frustrating issue, but understanding its causes and solutions can help you resolve it quickly. This error typically occurs due to hardware differences, such as using AirPods from different generations, or ownership issues where AirPods are linked to another Apple ID. It can also be triggered by software or firmware mismatches, or physical problems like dirty charging contacts. To fix the mismatched AirPods error, start by resetting your AirPods. Place both AirPods in the charging case, close the lid for 30 seconds, then open it and press the setup button on the back until the status light flashes amber, then white. Next, you can forget and reconnect your AirPods by going to Settings, then Bluetooth on your iPhone or iPad, tapping the eye icon next to your AirPods, and selecting Forget this device before reconnecting them as if they were new. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is running the latest iOS and that your AirPods firmware is up to date. Cleaning the AirPods and the charging contacts with a soft, dry cloth can also help. Ensure both AirPods and the case are sufficiently charged. Sometimes, leaving the AirPods in the charging case for 2 to 4 hours can help them sync and update. If none of these steps work, contact Apple support for further assistance, especially if you suspect a hardware issue.